Hello adventurers, today we'll look into how to add ragdoll physics to our characters. Let's choose our character and drop it in the scene. Right-click on the character, select 3D object, ragdoll. Now we need to assign correct bones to our ragdoll. Names can be different, but it's fairly simple to find out which bone you need. Pelvis is same as hips. Look at bone indicators on the character. We need hips, knee and foot. For our example, names are different. Hips is upper leg, knee is lower leg, and foot is ankle. We do the same for both sides. Next we need elbow and shoulder bones. Elbow names match. Arm is shoulder. For middle spine, look for bone which is in the middle of the character. For this model it's spine 01. Head names also match. You may need to manually correct some of the colliders. In our case, collider radius is a little big on some of the bones. It's time for a little tweaking. Let's create a small script to test our ragdoll. We will need to get references to all rigid bodies in our ragdoll. Get references for rigid bodies by calling get components in children and select type rigid body. Now let's write our method for enabling our ragdoll. We'll need a for each loop to set each rigid body to kinematic so it doesn't interfere when we don't need it. Let's listen to a keystroke and set our ragdoll active. Character is in T-pose by default. When we press our key, ragdoll gets activated. If you have animator controller attached to your character, you will need to disable it before you activate ragdoll, so it doesn't interfere. I'll quickly create simple animator for our character. Create animator variable and assign its value an awake method. If we request to activate ragdoll, we have to disable animator first. Character is in idle pose by default. When we activate ragdoll, animator gets disabled and ragdoll gets activated. This was a small ragdoll tutorial from Frenzy. If you found it helpful, leave your feedback. If you are interested in any other tutorial, let us know and we'll upload it. Thank you for watching. Frenzy out.